So I tried making money with this Five Nigeria platform after watching this video. In this video, I want to show you 5 Nigeria websites that will pay you every day to carry out tasks for them. So in that video, I shared with you 5 Nigeria platforms that will pay you every day by performing simple social media tasks. So after watching that video, I tried making money with these 5 platforms. And here is the proof. So in this series, I tried making money with NairaWorkers this time to see if they really pay you to perform some simple tasks or not. And this right here is my honest result and honest review about this platform. The next platform we have on our list right now is NairaWorkers. Now we're going to be seeing if NairaWorkers really pays you every single day by doing simple tasks online, right? This was the third platform, or the fourth platform rather, we talked about that pays you every day by doing simple tasks online. NairaWorkers has been on ground very long time, but we don't know if they really pays or not. So let's just try that out right now. So this is the account. The first thing to do, I'm going to go straight to the point. No need to beat around the bush. I'm going to log into my account. Just click on login, right? Click on login. I'm going to log in my account right now, right? And I'm going to show you my present balance, and we're going to do some tasks, and let's see if our balance increase or not, or if we can even withdraw our money if possible. Right now, in this account, you can even subscribe to NairaWorkers business if you want to. And this is my current earnings, which is 116 naira 57 kobo. Well, I'm going to come back to this. Right, I've already done 4 jobs currently, but we're going to go ahead and do some other jobs right now. So I'm going to just come here and click on this very place, click on available jobs, right? And remember, it's important you add your wallet, which is your account details, to this very platform. Just remember that it's important you add your account details, which is your wallet. Click on wallet. You see where they will ask you to add account details. Put in your account details in case you want to withdraw your money. So we just go to available jobs and we start performing tasks. Right, these are some jobs available. Instagram follow, right? So we're going to do this. This job right here is talking about YouTube subscribers. So this is the simple job. What is expected from workers? Click here to copy. Click here or copy the link to your browser and subscribe. All right, required your name, screenshot that shows you subscribe. Click on here, and what we are going to do is very simple. So we click on subscribe right here. Simple. And we're going to just go ahead and screenshot it. Then showing we subscribe. Then we are going to come back to NairaWorkers. Then we are going to submit this proof, right? So they are telling us to submit this proof and our username. Click on here. So I'm going to go ahead and submit the screenshot right here. Then we're going to put in our username according to their instruction. Let's say we should add our username. Put in our username right here. Then we're going to click on submit proof, right? And we're going to wait for payment, right? Your proof have been submitted and will be verified. So let's do one more jobs to check if this platform really pays. As you can see, this is my proof and this is my submission, right? It's running. So let's go ahead and let's look for this another subscribe job again. I believe that's one of the simplest jobs you can do right here. All right, the other simplest job though. So this one is also almost the same thing. Username and screenshot. Okay, this is what we are going to do. Almost the same thing. So what we're going to do right now is going to click on this very place. Simple instructions, the same procedure. We're going to subscribe to this channel and we are going to just screenshot it also. Right, then we come back to NairaWorkers. We are going to submit our proof, right? Our username and submit the proof of screenshot. So guys, this is the proof. We are going to submit the proof, right? So once we submit the proof, you're going to click on done. Right, okay, our username, they say we should put our username here. Put in our username right here, then you click on submit proof. As you can see, your proof have been submitted and will be verified. So guys, we have done these 2 tasks. We are going to wait and see if they are going to really pay us. Now, so guys, after 24 hours, my earnings still remain the same, which is 116 naira, and this still remain at my pending balance, which is 44 naira. Now, meaning that they have not approved my task. So if I go to task and completed, you are going to see that these are the jobs I just finished, which is what YouTube subscribers. As you can see, these jobs are still pending, telling you that NairaWorkers has not approved this job. Right now, I won't say NairaWorkers don't pay, but I will say they don't approve jobs on time. All right, because I believe after 24 hours they would have approved the jobs. That does not tell you that they don't pay. They pay because I've made some money from this platform. As you can see, I've made some good money. I've made some good withdrawals from this platform, and I will tell you NairaWorkers pays, but they delay on their payment. The fact that you don't pay anything to register on this platform gives you nothing to lose, right? It gives you nothing to lose. But what I will advise that you can still go ahead and register with this platform. It's free of charge. Register with them, and you can also do some tasks, right? Depending on the time they approve your task, it might take more than 1 day or 2 days before they can approve your task. All right, but if you have that patience, you can just go ahead and start working with them. But if you don't have the patience to start for 2 days, 3 days before they can pay you your money, I will advise you just leave the platform and try other platform I'll be sharing with you in this very video, because I don't believe by now they have not approved my task. My honest review is that NairaWorkers pays, but I believe because of the traffic on this platform and the multitude on this platform make them have a slow time in approving tasks and making payments. Right now, you can go ahead and try this platform out and you can start making money from them. You can't make good money from this platform, but you can make little money from this platform, and you can just make this as a side also. And I would never advise anyone to make this as a main also. Right now, NairaWorkers has not paid me. I won't say they pay because there's no proof of payment right now, right? Because it's not now, it's from the past, right? But what I will advise that you can still go ahead and try this platform out. And I can tell you they pay. I won't tell you what I have not done. So guys, you can go ahead and try this platform out on your own risk, but you start nothing to lose, right? You can also advertise on this platform as a business owner, as an influencer, and you can also make money from there. So guys, I believe you find value from this video. So I've tried the rest platform out, which is the 5 Nigeria platform that pays you every day. Now all the platform, I've linked them down in the description of this video. You can access them. I also link them in the comment section. You can also access all of them in the comment section and in the description of this video, guys, and have access to the rest of them, right? There are some platforms that really pays you, and I'll also give my honest reviews about this platform. You can access them, example like social earnings, Freebyz, and all of that. So you can see them in the card of this video, around in the top screen of this video, or you can also see them in the end screen of this video, or you can access them in the description or the comment section. And if you want to register on this platform, you have access to the link, and the first link you'll be seeing with the first link you'll be seeing in the description to access this platform, guys. So I believe you find value from this video. If you do, please smash that like button and also drop your own comment, give your honest reviews about this platform. Tell me what you learned in this video, if this platform has paid you or not, or your experience with this platform. Let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to engage with you right there. So thanks for watching again, and I will see you around in the next video. Bye for now. But during the course of this time rate, they have not approved my tasks. Other of my tasks I have done in the past, they have approved them. As you can see, my recent tasks have not been approved, but we believe maybe it might be because of traffic or because of a lot of people who are doing tasks every day on the platform, because they do approve their tasks manually on this very platform. But if you choose to register, use the first link to register in the description. But if you don't want to register, or it seems you don't have the time to wait for that long, you can try other platform out. I will leave them right here. If you click on this playlist right now, showing right here on your screen, you'll be accessing the remaining 5 platforms I shared in this very series. So don't miss out.